On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Karen Locasal, and I'm here to tell you about crafting with gourds. So there's our pilot hole, and this will allow you to either put a craft knife in here, or in my case, I'm going to use a jigsaw. So once you get it cut the way you like it, you can also use sandpaper to take off those rough edges and change your design or whatever it is you're going to do. If you like it the way it is, perfect. I didn't mention beforehand, but this particular bowl, I had a large crack down the side of it. So I just went with below the crack, so instead of the bowl being this large, it's now going to be a little bit shallower, but you work with what you got, and mistakes sometimes are a good thing.